Welcome back to another session of Indian Culinary Forum Zero Waste Kitchen. And today we bring forward a very wonderful, very charming chef, Chef Anahita Dhondi. I'm so looking forward to this recipe, Chef. Anything that you want to mention about the recipe?
We're doing a recipe called cauliflower 3 ways, where we use the entire cauliflower. We use the stems, which go into a really nice kodo millet fried rice. We use the leaves, which are pickled and garnished on top, which give you that nice freshness, crunchiness. And we're doing, of course, the cauliflower florets, which is the hero. We nicely oven roast it, which you can air fry it or fry it also. And it all comes together really beautifully as it can be a main course, it could be 3 different dishes. The idea is to reduce waste in your kitchen.
I'm super excited. Let's head to the kitchen.
Absolutely. Today I'm doing a dish which is called cauliflower 3 ways. Humble cauliflower, which basically in the kitchens we cut, remove the florets and we throw everything else. So the idea is to give you a creative way of how you can use the entire cauliflower. The first thing that we're going to be doing is removing the cauliflower stems and the leaves. This part is also perfectly edible. Isko hum usually फेंक देते हैं, but this is perfectly edible. So I'm going to cut them into florets so that they cook faster. So this is your cauliflower florets ready in one bowl. Now we will look at the cauliflower dantal and the leaves. Usually isko pheka jata hai. We're going to just cut it up and we're going to use it in a fried rice. And now the leaves. Now usually you will think that this should go into the dustbin, but we're going to be using the leaves as well. They're going to add a lot of color and flavor. These are the leaves and the dantal or the stems, and these are the cauliflower florets. So cauliflower को आप अच्छे से wash करो and then leave it to soak for 5-10 minutes in a turmeric and salt water. इससे क्या होता है, कुछ भी disinfectant अगर करना होता है आपको cauliflower, plus उसमें हल्का सा color भी आ जाता है. So for the cauliflower marination, just take some hung curd, yogurt, hung curd, जो भी आपको लेना है, red chili powder, some salt, cumin powder, a little bit of lemon juice and some ginger garlic paste. इसको आप अच्छे से मिक्स कर लो. Your marination is ready and into this we'll be adding the cauliflower. अब ये ज़रूरी है कि आपका oven already preheated हो, so that you can just put the cauliflower and you can bake it. This is a stage or a prep that you can make and keep. So when your order comes or you need to cook it, you can just put it and bake it. हल्का सा इसमें हम olive oil डालेंगे just to give it a little shine. In a preheated oven at 180 degrees, we'll put it to bake. So we're making the pickle, क्योंकि हमें cauliflower stems और leaves को pickle करना है, and vinegar, 2 bay leaves, black peppercorns, a few pieces of beetroot color के लिए, salt, अच्छे से salt, and some sugar as well. And all we need to do is just boil this for 2 minutes. This is the pickling liquid. Now, it's very important as a chef to understand that whatever vegetables you have, अगर कुछ खराब हो रहा है or you don't know what to do, it's very easy to make a pickle. This was going into the bin, but we're making a nice pickle which we will use to add on top of our dish. This is boiled. I'm just going to switch it off. And I'll take this liquid and I'll pour it. So now this will stay here and we'll let it pickle while we make our fried rice. So we're making a fried rice because we want to use the cauliflower stems and the leaves in a different element. And this is how I like to make a fried rice. I'm using kodo millet. Again, using millet is a great idea in your kitchens if you can substitute it for rice. Just taking some simple ingredients, chopped garlic and some spring onions. Now in a fried rice, you want to make sure कि आप ज़्यादा उसको नहीं पका रहे हो. You want to keep everything a bit crunchy. And into this we're going to be adding जो हमारे कॉलीफ्लावर के डंठल थे और the stems. I'm adding it. I'm also adding the bok choy stems. We want it to be crunchy and flavorful. थोड़ा सा कलर भी आ गया इसमें. I'm adding the carrots. So it's healthy and it's also zero waste. Into this, to flavor it, adding some chili oil, soy, some chili sauce, some tomato ketchup. I haven't added any salt because of the soy. Just a splash of water to cook the vegetables. Just let this boil for 2 minutes. We add the kodo millet and we will add the pok choy leaves. ये बहुत जल्दी पक जाता है, so we want to add it towards the end. Kodo millet is already boiled, as you can see. I'm adding the bok choy leaves. We'll check on the cauliflower as well. So cauliflower is nicely roasted. As you can see, there's a lovely char from the oven. It's crispy and crunchy. I'm just adding it into the bowl. We'll be adding a little bit of olive oil just to give it some shine. So we'll move on to the plating. Very simple. As I told you, 3 elements from 1 cauliflower. We don't waste anything. First, we'll put the fried rice. It's slightly sticky, तो वो अच्छे से ना plate भी हो जाता है. So now we'll add the cauliflower, nicely char roasted bits. Complicated लगती है recipe, but it's quite simple actually. And you can make all the elements separately and use it in different dishes. It's a great main course, and also you can make it vegan as well. So we put the cauliflower, it's looking beautiful. And now the fun part. We're going to be using some of the pickled leaves जो फेंके जाते हैं डस्टबिन के अंदर, and some of the stems as well. So there you have it, my zero waste dish, which is cauliflower 3 ways.